Hi kids, welcome back to our class. I hope all of you safe and healthy. Kids, in the last class we studied about means of transport. Train, bus and other vehicles by which we travel are called means of transport. They help us to go from one place to another place quickly and comfortably. Okay, my dears, shall we start today's class? Now, we are going to learn about road safety rules. Okay, kids, let's see a video. Good. Kids, did you see this video? What did you understand from this video? Yes, you are correct. In this video is shown an accident, right? Bike passengers hit the car and fell down on the road. Kids, why did this accident occur? Yes, very good. Because of their carelessness. Okay, kids, to avoid this accident, we have to follow some road safety rules. Accidents can happen anytime and anywhere. They occur due to carelessness. We should follow road safety rules to be safe. Kids, why should we follow road safety rules? Right, to avoid road accident. Kids, why do accidents occur? Accidents occur due to carelessness. Kids, let's see what are the road safety rules. Kids, we should always walk on the footpath. Where there is no footpath, always walk on the right side of the road. Kids, can you say, where should we walk always? Right. We should always walk on footpath. We should cross the busy road only at zebra crossing by observing signal lights. While crossing the road, first look to the right, then left, and then right again. If the road is clear, then cross the road. Kids, where should we cross the busy road? Correct. We should cross the busy road only at zebra crossing. Kids, what should we observe while crossing the road? We should observe signal lights. Kids, have you ever seen this picture? Yes, it is a traffic signal. Kids, this is traffic lights. Red signal means stop. Green signal means go. Yellow signal means slow down. Kids, what do the colors in traffic lights mean? Red means stop. Yellow means slow. And green means go. Kids, we should not play on the roads. It may lead to accident. When we go by bus, we should not stand on the footpath because you will fall down and get injured. Kids, where should not we stand by bus? On the footpath. Very good. If necessary, we should take the help of the traffic police. Summary. First point, we should always walk on the footpath. Second point, we should not play on roads. Third point, when we go by bus, we should not stand on the footpath. Okay, my dears, I hope all of you enjoyed today's class. The lesson is over. Thank you.